Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing the console vault underseat safe. I will be doing this in my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition V8 with a 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, dynamic fuel management, which has been disabled, 8-speed transmission, and a 6.5 foot bed. Now for the unboxing. If you go to Console Vault, they have safes for quite a few different vehicles. If they don't have one for your vehicle, you can email them, and when they get enough requests for that safe, they might be able to design one for that truck or for that vehicle. Mine is a very simple installation. Let me get rid of this real quick. So here it is, the Console Vault underseat safe. I have a bench seat, and underneath the bench seat there is a locking compartment, and this just sits inside and bolts with four bolts to the inside of that underseat storage box that is currently in the vehicle. Let's see, I think I got a key here so I can show you the inside real quick. Installation is a piece of cake. It takes 4 screws and they are self-tapping. And they're somewhere, probably inside the safe. Nope, here they are right here. So here's the inside of the safe. This is actually a complete safe. Some other vehicles only have a top portion that sits down in there and bolts with various different types of mounting brackets. This one just sits inside. You take these 4 bolts. They have 2 on each side. They're pre-threaded. They're nuts that are attached to the side. They got 2 on this side, 2 on this side. And all you do, once you sit this in the current storage box, you take the 4 screws and you can't see inside there. Anyway, you take those 4 screws and screw them in, and they will pre-drill themselves into the sides of the storage box that is underneath the center seat. So let's go ahead and jump in the vehicle and I'll show you how to do this installation. First thing you're going to do is pull up the armrest. Open up the bottom seat cushion. You're going to pull out the felt bottom. Sit the console vault inside of there. Open it up. We're going to take the 4 screws and thread them into the bolts that are mounted to the console vault. Okay, now what you're going to do is take a 10mm socket. Let me go get an extension real quick. Now what you're going to do is, you don't want to over tighten them. You want to do them just tight, so push down on the vault. And then just go around and make sure that they're snug. And that's it. And I'll meet you on the outside of the vehicle. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the console vault underseat safe inside of my 2019 Chevy Silverado. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. Tap the bell icon and you get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath this video. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. Here are some photos from the completed install. As you can see, the console vault is a tight fit in the compartment underneath my center seat. There's plenty of room inside this vault, as you can see from this photo, to store cell phones, maybe little mini cameras, a gun or two with some spare bullets, pretty much whatever you want to keep in your vehicle when you have no choice and you want to keep it from prying eyes. And if someone does find the safe, you want to make it as hard as possible for them to get those items from your vehicle. So with this safe, you can do that. This safe right here, I think is very well designed. Mine's pretty much a sealed box. There's a few little openings on the bottom, but with the 4 self-drilling screws, it is definitely going to be held in place very securely. Well, that's it for the video. Have a nice day, and may your items stay safe. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing the console vault underseat. Damn it. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing the console vault underseat storage seat. Oh, bitch. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be installing the console vault underseat storage. No, not a storage, it's a safe, damn it. You can make a small donation. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. And I'm out of breath. Son of a bitch. Okay. I'm on vacation next week, thank God. One more time. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. And tap the bell icon. Bell icon, bitch. Here are some photos from the completed install. As you can see, the console vault is a tight fit in the compartment underneath my center seat. And there's a fucking airplane. Okay, one more time, god dang it.